So this is a quadratic sequence. If you Google or YouTube quadratic sequences, you'll probably see one of a couple of different methods being taught to find the nth term, one of which you're probably aware of. I wanted to go through a different method today that I think you'll be unlikely to find anywhere else. What you do is you find the first differences, as you probably always need to, and you get this. Now I'm just going to work out the nth term of that. So this goes up in fours, so it's 4n plus 5. Term there would be a 5, so 4n plus 5. And now this is the only bit of this that you need to memorize. You just need to desperately write the thing you've just got in this form. So basically, because there's always a 2n here, this needs to be a 2 to make 2 times 2n equal to 4n. And then because it's a 2, 2 times 1 is 2, and then I need to add extra 3 to get to 5. So this is the same as this. I'm just writing it in this form. This a and this b are not random. They refer to this a and this b that we had originally. So a is 3 and b is, sorry, a is 2 and b is 3. And that's the first bit of our answer. And now all I need to do to find c is say, well, when n equals 1, the whole thing should equal 4. Now, when n equals 1, that's a nice one to pick because this and this essentially just go away. So you end up with 2 plus 3 plus c equals 4. And so c is minus 1, and that will be our answer there. And this stays the same every single time you do this, and it's the only bit of this that you essentially have to memorize. So let's do that again full speed. So find the first differences. This is clearly minus 4n plus 3. Write it in this form. So I'm going to need a minus 2 here to make a minus 4n. So that'll be a minus 2. That makes a minus 2 there, which means I need to add 5 to get to a 3. So that means a is minus 2 and b is 5. And now just shove in 1, which makes this go away. It needs to make it equal to 11. That makes a 3, so c needs to be 8, and we have our answer. I'll give you some time to think about why on earth any of that works.